Hey guys, it's Nanda from Nanda's Crafts. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you this cute Halloween decor that I made. I really love it, the way they turn out. And this is wood. So this wood pieces I got from Hobby Lobby. It comes 6 pieces in a package. So they all thin like this. And you can make cute shelf decors with them. On the bottom in here is just 2 pieces of wooden dowels that I glue with the hot glue. And right here is a piece of craft stick just to reinforce in here. You make sure that you glue the wooden dowels after work is completely done. So what I just did is I applied the tacky glue all on a piece of the wood, and then I glue the scrapbook paper. After the scrapbook paper, it's all glued down, I used the nail file, and then I went up and down to cut all the pieces that was left out. So I did that in both sides. This side first, and then I did on this side. So as you can see, the edges is all clean. So after that, I glue the piece of cardstock in here. In this case, I decided to go with the orange cardstock. And then I apply orange acrylic paint all around the edges with a sponge. So after that, I start decorating the way that I want. As you can see in here, I really love it the way this turned out. So I used this sticker that said Happy Hunter and this little girl and this little bat. It came from this stickers right here, the stick abilities. So it comes with a lot of cool stickers in here. So I got this stickers from Hobby Lobby. And then in here, those right here and in here and in here and here is from this paper punch. And then those over here, the branch leaves, is from this paper punch right here. As you can see, there is a piece of pipe cleaner in here that I glue with the hot glue. And then the same thing I did for this other one. So I applied the glue on the wood, and then I glue the scrapbook paper, and then after that I just cut all the edges with the nail file, and then I glue the piece of cardstock. After that I cut black strips of cardstock, and then I glue in here on the top, and then I paint this one with the black acrylic paint. And then I die cut the words trick or treat. So I decided to go with black, purple, and orange. And then I apply the stickers in here. So this is from the sticker billets. This one too. And this over here, the 2 little bears, is from this stickers right here that I got from the thrift store. Then I glue the pipe cleaner in here on the back and in the front. So it really turned out so cute. I really love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.